Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can download apps on your Huawei P60 Pro. Maybe you have like an app that you want to download because you need it, or you want to, I don't know, play a game or whatever else. For that you need to go to your app gallery here, and then it pretty much looks like a Play Store or an App Store. You have, new games, weekly top ads, this like the features slide. Then we have only apps. Here we have categories, premium, campaign, app, live chat. We have games here. We have also categories, premium, campaign, and VIP games. And then, we have my account here. And if we go to the start, we have also trending apps, games and stuff here, or like top apps and games and whatever else. And if you know the name of an app that you would like, you can go to your search bar here and then just put in the name of the app. We'll go with Lieferando, and then if we click on it, we have more information about it here. And then we can say to install it. Now we can open it through the button here, or go back to our home screen, and then when we swipe to the right, we have Lieferando here. So now you can go ahead and use the app as you like. So that's how you can download apps on your Huawei P60 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.